The following is a marine
Who's got
weather
the gold
statement from the
flag?
National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms.
It's a marine.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northeast of Aurora to near Gary, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include nearshore waters at the City of Chicago, Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a marine weather statement from the
Jeez.
National Weather Service.
Only 8
Strong
minutes recording and I got
thunderstorms
that.
approaching the